Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Descript versus CapCut. Which is the best free editing tool? Well, we'll be talking about their features, what's available on the free plan, pros and cons, focusing entirely on what you can achieve without spending a dime. And by the end, you have solid reasons to choose a service that fits your needs. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start after this video. Now, when it comes to the features, both Descript and CapCut offer essential video editing capabilities, including basic cutting, trimming, and ability to add text and simple effects. When it comes to the Descript free version, it provides text-based video editing for 1 transcription hour per month, allowing you to edit video by modifying its transcribed text. It also offers 1 hour of remote recording and basic trials for AI features like studio sound and AI speech, and you can get your exports at 720p with watermarks. CapCut's free version offers multi-layer editing, keyframe animation, a rich library of royalty-free music and effects, and powerful AI tools like auto captions and background removal. It provides a vast array of trendy effects and templates, especially suited for social media formats. Now, with the free plan, you don't get to pay a dime. Now, these are the features you can get based on the fact that this is the free version. When it comes to the pros and cons, starting with Descript on the bright side, you have unique text-based editing approach. It's also good for transcribing and editing dialogue-heavy content, and trial access to powerful AI features like studio sound. On the flip side, with the cons, it has limited transcription and recording hours. Exports include watermarks and are limited to 720p, and the core AI features are only trial-based. CapCut's free version pros include extremely user-friendly interface, rich library of trendy effects, music, and templates, and it's excellent for quick social media video creation. On the downside, with the cons, exports often include a watermark, unless shared directly to TikTok. You have less depth for professional long-form video editing, and some desirable assets are locked behind the pro version. In conclusion, both Descript and CapCut offer compelling free video editing experiences, but they cater to different creative needs. Descript's free version is ideal if you want to explore text-based editing, primarily work with spoken content, and get a taste of AI audio tools. CapCut's free version is an excellent choice for casual users, social media creators, and anyone who needs an intuitive, feature-rich editor for quick, trendy videos across mobile and desktop. Don't forget to check out the links to both Descript and CapCut in the description below so you can explore these services further and choose the one that best suits your creative endeavors. Don't forget to let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.